Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Creating a web application on Google App Engine with Python involves handling URLs through a web framework like Flask or Django. In this tutorial, we'll focus on using Flask as it's lightweight and easy to get started with. We'll cover the basics of routing and handling URLs in an App Engine Python application. Prerequisites. Step 1. Set up your development environment. Install Flask. You can install Flask using pip, the Python package manager. Create a project directory for your App Engine application and navigate to it. Step 2. Create a Flask application. Create a Python file for your Flask application. For example, main.py. Initialize your Flask app and define routes. In this example, we have defined 3 routes, /about, and /contact. Step 3, deploy to Google App Engine. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Authenticate with Google Cloud using the following command. Set your GCP project ID. Deploy your Flask application to App Engine. Follow the prompts, and your application will be deployed. Step 4, access your application. After a successful deployment, your application will be accessible at https://your_project_id region_id apps.com, where your _project_id is your GCP project ID and region_id is the App Engine region where you deployed your app. You can now access the different routes defined in your Flask app. That's it. You've created a basic Python web application on Google App Engine, defined routes, and deployed it. You can further extend your app by adding more routes, templates, and integrating databases or other services as needed. ChatGPT.